Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mahmoud. I live in Sydney, Australia. I'm originally from Bangladesh. I have two kids. My son Ayman, he's 8 years old. He's taking Qaida course with Taqi Academy. And I have one daughter. She is 10 years old and she is in year 5 in this school. She is taking Hifz class or Hifz course with the Taqi Academy. Alhamdulillah, they are progressing very well. I'm also taking classes with the Taqi Academy for my purifying or beautifying Quran recitation with Tajweed classes. In profession, I'm chartered professional civil engineers, and I take classes with Taqi Academy in my free time after my office hours. I do have scheduled classes with them, and Alhamdulillah, my kids are progressing very well. I'm already perform almost finishing the Qaida course, and Masarra, my daughter, she's almost memorizing 3 Jews, so she's taking the Hifz classes with the Taqi Academy. And I'm also getting benefited with the classes with the Taqi Academy. Overall, as a family, we're very satisfied with the Taqi Academy. What I love with the Taqi Academy is that teachers are very kind professionals, and they give regular reports, and they give us personalized reports regularly. So that's giving me comfort that where we are at this moment with myself, with my kids. So Alhamdulillah, we are very happy with the Taqi Academy, and we wish more success with the Taqi Academy in futures. Thank you. And finally, definitely we'll recommend Taqi Academy to others in my network, in my neighbors, and everywhere. So Alhamdulillah, they're doing very good job. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.